if you're like me, you have an old broken 3D printer, laying around and you don't know what to do with it, well, turn it into a siren testing, because I'm making a mini siren. Yes, another one. Since the other one was at max at least 30 decibels. Actually, no. It was at max 80 decibels, which is not enough for me. So let's build a siren test kit. So if you grab it doesn't matter what 3D printer you have. If you have an Ender 3, CR10, an Ender 3 clone, as long as it has this frame and these aluminum extrusions, you're good to go. So this is how you build it. So here are all the parts you need: a fan to test your power supply, wires, screws, Allen wrenches, ballast, super glue, your power supply, aluminum extrusions, and frames. Make sure you have all those. So first, you're going to want to get your aluminum extrusions where these two holes are at. You are going to want to do is mount them at an angle like this. Why, to be exact? Well, I'll show you why. To mount them at an angle like this. You want to mount them at an angle like this. Why? Because your wires are going to come out through these holes at the bottom. Through these holes. You're going to mount your power supply at the bottom right here. The wires are going to come out through here. Okay, now we're going to be mounting the power supply. So what you want to do, if you have a voxelite printer like mine, that's fine if you mount it right here. But if you have an Ender 3, it's okay to mount it on the side right here. It doesn't really matter. If you have a voxelite printer, going to be mounting right here, down here. And for an Ender 3 printer, going to be mounting somewhere right here. This is how your power supply is going to be mounted, like this way. Make sure it's on your set voltage on your country. Part 2 is going to be the wiring and the circuitry. So yeah, but if you want to wire right now to like test the siren right now, this is what you need to do. Grab a wire that's thick enough to handle the current, because this power supply is going to be delivering about 16 amps of current. Turn your thing around to a power supply. Open this door up. So on here it's numbered. You can see. So you're gonna want to mount the positive at number 1 and the negative at number 6. Why? So they don't short each other out. After you're done, put your wires aside and close the door. Next, on the top with these holes, feed the wires through here. And for cable management, you want to put these to the side, pull a little bit out, put these to the side, and push. Roughly like that. So you can use your siren tester like this, but if you want more circuits, part 2 will be soon for wiring.